Think your stomach is trying to talk to you? Well, in a way, it is. Here's the deal. When you're hungry, your brain sends signals to your gut. Your stomach and intestines start squeezing and churning to mix up any leftover food. But if your stomach's empty, all that movement just sloshes air and digestive juices around, making those classic rumbling noises. The fancy word? Borborimi. So next time your stomach growls in class, just tell everyone your gut's practicing its drum solo. Science is awesome and sometimes a little noisy.